are in full swing at my house, which means my to-do list has doubled or tripled. It's a good time to start thinking outside of the box. One thing that we love to do is bake. This year we're making Country Crock's Cranberry Lemon Sugar Cookies, an updated twist on an old classic. Okay, while our oven is preheating to 350 degrees, we're gonna add all the ingredients for our dough, right? And you're gonna help me. Yeah, okay, here you go. Let's add our flour. We're gonna put some flour in there. In Ireland, will you add the cranberries when Mother's done? Then we have baking soda. And then, sir, will you please put the cream of tartar in there? Okay, and then we have lemon peels and a little bit of salt. That's our last ingredient. Good. Okay, and then we're gonna mix this all together. We have 1 cup of Country Crock spread in the bowl. I like using Country Crock because it has 0 grams of trans fat per serving and no cholesterol. And we're gonna add sugar and confectioner sugar into the mix until it becomes light and fluffy. And then Mom will mix it up. This is the fun part, I know. And we're ready to add our egg, 1 egg and also some vanilla extract. All right, and then we keep blending. Now we're gonna add our flour mixture from before into the big bowl. Thank you, son. And mix everything together. Okay, this is the fun part. We get to shape our dough into little 1-inch balls, right? Woo! This is fun. I always loved this when I was a kid. And then we're gonna put it in the sugar bowl and just cover it with sugar and put it on our tray. Here we go. We'll do 3 across. Put them about 2 inches apart on the cookie sheet. Now that we've got them on the cookie sheet, we need to flatten them, and I'll show you how to do that. The best way to do it is with a glass, the bottom of a glass, and you just squish. Do you see that? Good, there you go. Want to try it? Good. Good job. And once they're all done, you put them in the oven for about 10 minutes until they're lightly golden. Okay, they're all cooled and perfect temperature to try. Taste test, here you go. Here you go, you ready? I love to put these in tins and give them out as gifts for neighbors or teachers, or sometimes we just eat the whole batch, right? Head to countrycrock.com for this recipe and more holiday treats your whole family will love.